Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to change or customize the ChatGPT accent color on your Mac and Windows PC. Do you want to make ChatGPT look more stylish and easier on your eyes? Well, changing the accent color lets you personalize your interface, improve readability, and reduce eye strain, as well as highlight important buttons for faster navigation. So, whether you like bold colors or a clean, minimal look, this quick customization will make your experience even better. So let's get started. So first we have to launch the ChatGPT app on your Mac or PC. And then you have to click on your profile located at the bottom left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the settings option in the menu. Then you have to head over to the app section and click on the drop down menu next to accent color. After that, you have to choose the preferred color like orange, yellow, green, blue, or pink. Now select the preferred color option and you're all set. It's worth pointing out that your chosen color will come into action right away. That means you won't need to relaunch the app for the action to take effect, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily customize the ChatGPT accent color on your Mac and Windows PC. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it in order to enhance your ChatGPT experience, and I'll catch you up in the next one.